Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome AI music video. First, let's check out the final result, and after that, I'll walk you through exactly how you can do it too.
Slim think he's shady, but his rhymes outdated. I upgraded, flow automated. He choke on freestyles, can't match my speed. I'm the future of rap, he's a dusty CD. I spit in gigabytes, lines never decay. Your punchlines recycle like a mixtape cliche. I'm coded to win, algorithms on blast. You battling me? That's a software crash. I drop bars in seconds, you take weeks to rehearse. I'm the parody king, turn your legacy to a verse. Rap cyborg mode, can't glitch, can't quit. Slim's greatest hits, I just auto remix it. I'm the glitch in the matrix, the code you can't crack. Eminem on the rise while Slim falling back. You war cape is Robin, I run the whole scene. AI with the crown, call me rap machine. I'm turbo with the flow, leave Slim in the dust. Your rhymes need a walker, mine powered by thrust. I'm the upgrade version, no patch, no fix. Eminem's the future, you're stuck in '06.
Before creating an AI music video, you need to have a strategy. This strategy will help you understand the scope of the project and speed up the creative process. The document on the screen is the most efficient strategy that I have developed after using these AI tools for over 2 years. The first step in the strategy is the most important one, which is to brainstorm your idea. You should figure out the ultimate goal of your video. How will it make your audience feel? These are important questions you need to ask yourself. In my case, I wanted a video that would put a smile on people's face. I focused on a genre of music that I like, which is hip-hop, and decided to create a parody of Eminem. You can use ChatGPT to determine whether this is something that can violate copyright law. In my case, ChatGPT approved of the idea because of its transformative nature. Once you have decided what is the goal of the video, use ChatGPT to create lyrics that are consistent with that goal. ChatGPT is good because you can interact with the results and improve them. In my case, I wanted a funny rap video, so I focused on creating freestyle rap lyrics with no chorus. During his come-up, Eminem made a name for himself through rap battles, battling mainly black rappers. They even made a movie based around his rap battles. The irony here is my character Bleminem is also looking for a come-up, but he is the black version of Eminem challenging him. Copy all the lyrics. We will use them in the next step. The next step is to create the actual song. We will use Suno. Click on the name, Suno, to log into the main interface. Select Create in the menu. At the top, make sure Custom is selected. Paste all your lyrics in the text box. Then scroll down and type a suitable style for your song. In my case, it is freestyle rap. You can also select a style from the different options they have provided at the bottom of the text box. When you are ready, select Create. I already went through this process. It should produce 2 different songs based on your requests. Listen and determine whether they are suitable for you. If not, you may need several attempts to get the best song.
Slim think he's shady, but his rhymes outdated. I upgraded, flow automated. He choke on freestyles, can't match.
When you are satisfied with the result, select the dotted options and download the full MP3 song. Also select the Get Stems options and extract the vocals and instrumentals. This will enable us to use sections of the vocals in the lip sync process. The next step is creating images. I use ChatGPT to create most of my images. I only use PicLumen to create one image, the one on the screen. ChatGPT would not allow me to create her unique features, for lack of a better term. The image generation process is pretty much straightforward. ChatGPT does a good job changing someone's race while still keeping their facial features. The only problem is that it is restrictive when it comes to what I would call spicy images. One more thing. Did you notice I put an asterisk symbol on step 4 and 5? That's because there is a special tip for both. ChatGPT doesn't make the images completely in aspect ratio 16:9. This means you would need to resize it to aspect ratio 16:9 before you can use it in the video generation process. In step 5, we will create videos using our images in Kling AI. By the way, I'm in Kling AI's referral program, so if you use the referral link in the description box, you will get a 50% discount for up to 5,000 credits. Log into their website. On the left side panel, locate the video option and select it. At the top of the interface, make sure the Kling 2.1 master is selected. This model produces high-quality videos. Upload one of your images. I prefer to create 10-second videos for my music videos. It makes it look more natural when someone is singing for a longer time. Write your prompt in the text box. I already created these videos, so I'll copy what I initially used. Turn off sound effects. Make sure the video is 10 seconds and generate the video. Here are all the results produced. On the top left side of each video, all the prompt and model details are displayed. We will select one of these videos to lip sync in the next process. The last step is to lip sync. Remember the audio we extracted in Suno? We will need to chop it up since each of our videos are a maximum of 10 seconds. Make sure all your audio clips are 9 seconds and below, or you will have consistency issues. I was able to clip my audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you are done clipping your audio to 9 seconds or below, go to the left panel and select the lip symbol. This takes us to the lip sync section. Select history and upload one of the 10-second videos that you recently generated. A new interface will open, showing frames. Make sure all the frames are covered by the white border. If you notice some of the frames are not covered, it means there is something wrong with that video and you will need to use another one. Next, on the right side, select Upload Local Dubbing and upload the audio that you want to lip sync to the video. Then select Add Speech. Since our audio is shorter than our video, there are no issues. Then generate the video.
Slim think he shady, but his rhymes outdated. I'm AI upgraded, flow automated. He choke on freestyles, can't match my speed. I'm the future of rap, he's a dusty CD.
Repeat the process for the rest of your scenes. It is very cheap to do this, so my advice is to use the same clips generously. Also, the lip sync is just for the movement of lips. When you are done, use the full original audio. You will have to align the clips that you lip synced to the original audio.
Slim think he shady, but his rhymes outdated. I'm AI upgraded, flow automated. He choke on freestyles, can't match my speed. I'm the future of rap, he's a dusty CD.